lalabas kasama ka sa vlog.
Hello mga guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, we're here na sa Ras Tanora kung saan i-celebrate natin ng Eid kasi meron tayong 6 days na walang pasok. So let's enjoy the Eid holiday here in Ras Tanora. So let's go guys, bye! So yun guys, we're here na sa maraming tao for today's video. Actually may kasama po akong kaibigan from Dubai. This is a fashion designer from Dubai, of course. Of course, papakilala natin ang ating kaibigan na si Joey. So Joey, ano masasabi ni Joey kasi nandito tayo ngayon sa Ras Tanora?
Masaya, nakapag-beach din.
Diba? Kasi nga tablang relaxing kasi sa overload na trabaho. So dapat naman talaga tayo mag-enjoy, diba? Tsaka mag-unwind para maging masaya sa buhay. Ganun ang isang OFW, diba, Day?
Yes, of course.
So enjoy the day and enjoy life. So see you kasi maliligo kami later. So bye!
A few moments later.
So guys, we're here in Ras Tanora. Actually, mag-antay dito. Mag-discover sa Ras Tanora Beach kasi ito ang pinaka-the best. Na, diba? May duyan pa. May duyan mo na tayo for a while. Hindi na magkasya. Diba? Amazing. Relaxing. Actually, ang dami-dami mga kababayan dito for today's video. Kasi ito na yung ano. Yes, welcome to my vlog. Well, ayun. Diba? Halika dito, tingnan natin doon na area. Diba? Ang dami mga kababayan. Habang mga kababayan natin nag-ano ng mga tent, gumagawa. And of course, nandito ang iba't ibang lahi din, of course. Salamat sa nagbi-video kasi isa sa pinaka the best sa Dubai. Siya ay camera shy type pala siya. Diba? O, diba, ang dami-daming Pilipino, dapat din iba't ibang lahi. Ito yung dagat ng Ras Tanora. Napaka-amazing, perfect, and relaxing. Diba? So, amazing. Maraming naliligo dito. Anong tawag dito, Day? Jellyfish? There's a lot of jellyfish actually, no? Kaya nga, there too much jellyfish. Actually, diba, nakikita mo mga jellyfish? Diba? Dito, oh. There's too much jellyfish here, no? May tiba-tibang lahi. Halika dito, Day, punta natin dito. Diba? Perfect. Amazing. Perfect place. Diba? Oo. Ang dami. Okay ka lang, Day? Yes. Iba't-ibang lahi ang nandito habang, no? Ang saya. Oh, diba? Kumakain sila. Hi, stay to my vlog daw. Say hi to my vlog. Hi, yes. What's your nationality? Can I make your interview? Saudi Arabia. Okay, what can you say about this this Eid? What can you say about Eid? Because there are too much people here. Can you say here?
Eat for Saudi Arabia. Rice, best one.
Oh, the best
Yes,
one na.
the best one of Saudi Arabia, rice.
Oh, diba? So, what you eat today? Is a kabsa? You're from where in Saudi Arabia? Biryani, ah? Where are you from in Saudi Arabia? I mean.
Say hot.
So the Sayat is very nice people also. Very nice and very amazing people. So that's all for today. Just hi, say bye-bye. Okay na, bye muna. So guys, I'm here for today's video with, what's your nationality by the way? From Pakistan, Lahore? Pakistan, Sudan.
Yes.
Okay, what can you say about this Eid? Because there are too much people here in Eid, so what can you say?
Very good views, you know, a beautiful views. This my friend today
Coming from?
coming from coming from
From Dammam. Okay.
yes, Dammam. This is Sudan, from Sudan.
From Sudan, and this one from
Pakistan.
Pakistan, Lahore. So you're happy here?
Yes, happy.
Okay, what's your name?
Name Abbasi,
Abasi from Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Right? Yeah.
Sajjad from Pakistan.
Okay.
Muhammad Irfan from Pakistan.
Pakistan, so you
Yeah.
you Sudan. So okay, from Pakistan. So you're happy here in Ras Tanura? Okay, you're happy. So that's all for today's video. Bye bye.
Link le lo link.
So that you will see in the YouTube, ha? Okay. Let's screenshot.
Finish already.
Okay. Yalla. Okay. So as you notice guys, there's a lot of people here. There's a lot of every nationality where actually makakasalubong natin, of course. May Saudi, may Filipino, and of course, may iba't ibang lahi. Dito mo lang matatagpo sa Ras Tanura Beach kasi Eid holiday for today's video. So let's enjoy the holiday season here in Saudi Arabia, of course. Kasi hindi ko pa to na vlog. Hindi ko pa to na vlog actually. So i-celebrate natin yung Ras Tanura days. Nakatutok pa sa akin. Ayun. Habang ano, sila kabayan, paano mo siya shoutout pa kabayan? Paano? Yes, sila kabayan. O kabayan, interviewin ko kayo. Riyadh. Okay. So, masaya kayo dito ngayon sa dito sa
Sobrang saya!
ito mga kababayan ko dito sa Ras Tanura matatagpuan kasi from Riyadh, no?
Ay, diba?
Cross Occidental.
Oh, Ilonggo man ko. So, shout out sa mga Ilonggo. Ilonggo ako sa Estancia Iloilo.
Ay, ilo.
So,
Try ah.
so ilang araw kayo dito?
Sa Ras Tanura, 1 day lang.
One
Tapos
day.
transfer sa
Half moon na naman. O doon kami sa half moon. Actually, isang araw lang kami dito tapos transfer naman. So, shout out. May shout out dyan sa taga Riyadh, no? So,
Kayo kuya, naka-ano?
Kubar.
Ako.
Kubar lang siya. So, that's all for today's video kasi magchichika muna kami. Yan. Bye-bye!